you should take it slow.
Okay, alright, so this is part 2. So when you have Cydia installed, you want to go to Cydia, and you won't have a camera response so you won't have it straight away. I'll show you how to get it. Let me just delete it off my thing. Okay, so you want to go to Edit, Add in the top left, and then https cydia dot org, and it's updating sources. And there it is. So you want to press return to Cydia, press done, go to a camera response, go to all packages, scroll down to D. So you see in the top, yeah, and when you're at D, look for DLG memor injected. So where is it? There it is, DLG memor injected. Press on memory and then press modify in the top right. It says reinstall for me, but you say install, confirm, running. There you go. And now, if you go to your settings, you should see DLG memor injected. Crash on it. Go down to Pacybits, allow it. Go on to Pacybits. Log on to Pacybits. And there you see, DLG's there. Come back for part 3 to show you how to actually hack Pacybits. This is just to install the thing. So hope you like part 2, and yeah.